Hi everyone, I'm going to be making a Valentine's wreath today. I have a roll of chenille yarn. This is hibiscus, but you can use any color you want. And a wire wreath ring, and this one is 14 inches. So I've already gotten started on it. This is about the third time I've wrapped several amounts of the yarn around a folded piece of cardboard. And when you're not using it, you just can put it in between the crack right there and it'll hold it from unwinding. And this is what I have so far. So let me show you how I did this. So I'm wrapping the yarn around the two center wires. When I first started off, I went on the opposite side of this wire and I tied a knot. I went over the bars and tied a knot underneath. And then I began to wrap it around. I actually went over to the other side and started to wrap it around. And I did this so this would block it from sliding around as I started. So what I'm doing is I'm just wrapping it over the two bars here. I'm going under and over, pulling it through, and I just continue doing that. And I do it about 4 times. And then I push it down. If I didn't mention it, the size yarn I bought was 65 yards from the Dollar Tree. So the reason I only wrap it around about 4 times is so I don't have loose yarn or gaps in the yarn. And I do kind of push it down snug. I try not to overlap. It does overlap some. So when I come to the next bar in the middle, if I don't have much yarn left, I will go ahead and just tie it off in a knot on the underside of the bars. And if I do have a lot of yarn, this is what I'm going to do with it. I'm just going to go back through, and this time I'm going to go over in the other side. Come back up and continue wrapping it around. Now, if I was to run out of yarn in the middle of the bars, I would simply just tie a knot from where it ends and restart there. And it'll be tight. You'll be pushing the yarn down and you're just going to go up against that. I'm going to go ahead and finish filling this in off camera. And this is something you could do while you were sitting there watching TV if you wanted to. And when I get done then, I'm going to show you the next part. Now I'm starting the next part, which is wrapping Valentine's garland over the inner wire. And I got the garland at Dollar Tree probably a couple years ago, but I'm pretty sure they still have it. So using one of these wires in the middle here, I went from this side over the wire and then came back down underneath it. Came up this side and then went over the wire and under. And then I began to wrap it over this wire. I didn't use any hot glue. I just sat there and I held onto it after I had wrapped it around. And I did that as I did a couple winds around the wire. And it's holding on pretty good. So now I don't think I'm going to have to hold it any longer. I'm going to continue to wrap it around this wire. And then here when I get to this part, I will just go over the wire and come back up on this side, and it'll work out fine. And I should say that some of these hearts will pop off as you're doing it. That's okay. You just keep pulling it through. And the thing about doing it with the tinsel is you won't need to do it as tight, and it will fill in more space a lot faster. So now I'm at the bar, so I will be coming up on this side of the bar and going back down under. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish the rest of this off camera. Okay, so I have it all filled in, and I actually have a lot left over. It was one strand of the tinsel, and when I filled it in, I doubled back on it and I kind of rewrapped it backwards all the way to about maybe 2 inches, and it's holding on really tight. And now I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to cut it off on the back side. So I'm doing the bottom wire the same way, and I've already got it started. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish the bottom wire now off the camera. I have that one wrapped around, and I actually got out another whole piece of tinsel. Even though I had some left over, a lot left over, I knew that it would not probably complete the whole thing on the outside wire, and the less times I have to restart it and secure it down, I thought would be better. So there's my Valentine's wreath. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching.